welcome to you all. Tahi ua toru whā, let's sing some waiata. Rima ono whitu aru and kani kani too. Tahi ua toru whā, let's sing some waiata. Rima ono whitu aru and kani kani too. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Sue
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, clue tuatahi right up the top. Our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's te rā, the sun.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, rain. Ua.
Alright, now clue tuatoru right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, they are clouds, ngā kāpua. Do you know what? We have all 3 clues. We have te rā, the sun. We have ua, the rain. And we have kāpua, our clouds.
Oh, I know. We're going to sing our waiata Tāwhirimatea.
That's right, this is one of our songs all about the weather, and we get to use our bodies to keep the rhythm in the song. And then we're going to sing about all the different things that our weather does. So see if you can remember them, and at the end in our Hokinga Mahara we're going to see if you can remember what each of the weather things does.
Shall we click our fingers? I'll count to toru and we'll go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea, ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea. Whiti mai te rā,
Whiti mai te rā,
heke mai te ua,
heke mai te ua,
ka pua pua,
ka pua pua,
pupuhi mai te hau.
pupuhi mai te hau.
Ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea. Ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea, ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea. Whiti mai te rā,
Whiti mai te rā,
heke mai te ua,
heke mai te ua,
ka pua pua,
ka pua pua,
pupuhi mai te hau.
pupuhi mai te hau.
Ko ene ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea.
That was so much fun. I loved keeping the rhythm with my body today.
Which action did you enjoy doing?
Oh, I like that one too.
Very cool.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember the actions that we did today. Now, do you remember this action? Do you remember which weather thing this is? It starts with whiti. Whiti mai te rā. Well done. This one's about our sun shining in the sky.
Our next action. Can you remember what this one was for? Heke. Heke mai te. Heke mai te ua.
Yay, our rain falling. Alright, our next one goes like this. Do you remember which weather this is? Ai, ka pua pua, ka pua pua, our cloudy days.
And our next one goes like this. Ooh, can you remember? Pupuhi, pupuhi mai te hau.
Yes, our windy days. Oh, that's very relaxing, that one. Yay, did you have fun? We really hope you had fun learning about all the different types of weather. Alright, should we go and sing our goodbye song together?
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
It's a really windy day today. Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch Mum and Auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!